Hey guys, today we have a 2017 Topps 5-star and a 2016 Topps 5-star. We'll get 4 autographs all together. Let's get this open. Got the scissors, knock that over. How do we get this open? Oh, there we go. Sorry, this might take a little. Okay, so here's our beautiful pack. Let's open it. Careful not to cut the cards. Okay, well, they are big cards. And who do we have? Randall Grichuk, who isn't a Cardinal anymore, and Jose Altuve. So now it's the 2016 5-star. Now let's get this one open. Oh, it just opens like that. Okay. So here's another pretty cool pack. Let's open it. We have Jason Varitek and I can't read what that says. Robert Stevenson. So, I would say that was pretty good. Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below, like I just said. Bye!